this is a longtime friend of mine. I made this thing a couple years ago, and it's actually not what it seems. It looks like it's a old mini bike, like an old Taco or something, but in reality it's actually a modern doodlebug. So I couldn't justify spending like the money that it would take to get an old bike, which is what I really wanted. So I bought a newer one to make into an older one. So I swapped on an old school patinaed Flathead Briggs. These are my favorite thing to work with. I had a mini chopper growing up that I built that had a 5-horse flathead on it, and it just like, I wanted that engine for sentimental reasons, but to do that I built a different engine plate entirely, and then I actually relocated the foot pegs. I moved the kickstand from the right side to the left side so it would kind of show off the right side of the bike, and then I narrowed the forks about 3 inches because it used to have a matching large back tire on it. And then, the bars were a little tweaked, so I fixed those. Got it set up with some sweet Ori grips, which are my favorite. And then, yeah, just has a really bagged out clutch on it. Completely stock 5-horse. Came with all the carbon buildup you would expect in there. But yeah, it looks old because I patinaed the frame. I've let it kind of rust and corrode and get dirty and grimy and stuff. I mean, it's kind of a filthy bike, but it's just fun to ride. So with the disc brake and the big poofy back tire, come to find out, this thing is actually really awesome to wheelie. It's got a heck of a sweet spot in it, between RPM, speed, and then the size of the tire. It's a lot of fun. So I actually take this thing out and wheelie it a lot, which you'll see here in this video. So, but yeah, this thing it's just a ton of fun for me. Something I always wanted. So it's more of like just kind of like a piece to kind of stay with my workspace. It's not something I'll sell, and so it just hangs out. Eventual plans with it are probably nothing unless I have to do something to it. If I need to, like, if I decide I really don't like the performance or whatever, maybe I could put on like a Mikuni or something like that. But man, for the most part, this thing, it has its character now, and I don't want to disturb that, so it's just going to stay how it is. But yeah, let me know what you think of it, and if you want to see more videos of it. So yeah, here it is.